depths of nearly 15 feet. Any animal that falls in is instantly cooked alive. The mystery? There's no volcano for 400 miles. Geothermal springs deep underground create this deadly natural phenomenon. Fact 2. Earth's lost continent. Zealandia is a continent twice the size. Talking about water so hot it reaches 200 degrees.
Giliw, kung pahintulutan mo ako, ipagkakatiwala ko sana sa'yo ang puso ko. Alamat lang ba ang pahinga ng dalawang puyat sa pira-piraso mga bugto?
Hi, it's me Angel Sina. For this vlog, I'll be exploring symmetry, a mathematical patterns that can easily be found in our everyday life. Now, pinili ko tong topic na to kasi yung patterns niya is madaling makita anywhere, especially sa ordinary objects and sa nature. Like for example, this cabinet door behind me. At first, it may look like just an ordinary door, right? But there's a math behind it. Example, if we cut this in the middle, makita natin na yung left and right side niya is parehas lang. Like a mirror, right? Now, may tatlong types ng symmetry, which is the reflection symmetry, and the rotational symmetry, also known as bilateral symmetry, and the last one is translational symmetry. Now, let me explain it to you guys. First, we have a reflection symmetry. Now, this happens when an object can be divided by an invisible line and the sides corresponds each other like a mirror light. Like for example, this door behind me. Gets?
Alam mo ba na itong spoon na hawak ko is also an example of reflection symmetry? Kasi kapag hinati ko to in the middle, makikita natin na yung sides niya is parehas lang. Like a mirror like. Now we have rotational symmetry. From the word rotational, umiikot, right? Now, ito yung mga bagay na pwede mong rotate at a central point, pero parehas lang yung look nila at a certain angle. Like for example, this pan behind me. You see? Kapag hininto ko itong pan na to, and then hinatin natin sila sa gitna o kahit saan pa, makikita natin na equal lang siya. Nakikita nyo? I'll give you one example. Another example is this starfish na kinuha ko pa sa aquarium namin. Makikita mo na yung arms niya is evenly arranged at a central point. Gets? Lastly, we have translational symmetry. Unlike reflection and rotational symmetry, dito, umuulit lang yung patterns niya by moving it at the same direction nang hindi mo piniplit or iniikot yung object. Like for example, this stance. Maniniwala ko ba na itong corkboard sa likod ko is also an example of translational symmetry? Kasi, kapag sinum ko yan at makikita niyo naman na yung pattern niya is umuulit lang, katulad ng tiles. Hehe, ayun lang. Now, through this activity, narealize ko, hindi lang pala limited ang mathematics sa equations and numbers, and hindi mo lang pala siya sa classroom makikita. Pwede mo pala siya makita in our everyday life, hindi lang natin napapansin. But, mathematics is literally everywhere, indeed.